Welcome to an explanation on a murder that Snoop Dogg may or may not have committed. Snoop Dogg's a rapper, okay? People would listen to his music on MP3s with their headphones in and start rocking on. They would listen to it on the radio. People even listen to his music with modern technology. This is a sponsor of the video. Watch to the end to see the sponsor. Snoop Dogg made the big bucks. He would millions and millions and millions of copies of all his records and songs. He was an amazing rapper. He traveled the world. He spent millions of dollars for his videos and made a bunch of money in profit. Let's say he spent $2 million. He made 10. That means he made $8 million in profit. Probably had gold for days. And to be fair, he probably made even more than $8 million in profit per video. He could have made $100 million for selling 100 million copies. That's only if he's selling it for $1 per copy. Now here's the big question. Why would he commit murder? The word on the street is Snoop Dogg ended up said he did it, okay? But it doesn't matter. He may or may not have said he did it. But the important part is that the police deemed that he possibly confessed to saying it, and then there was a trial. Honestly, there could be millions of people that are his biggest fans. So at a trial, he clearly said not guilty, even though there could be testimony that said he admitted to it. Now, if he admitted to it, he wouldn't say not guilty. I don't think he would do a plea deal. He got off on $1 million bail. His bodyguard was considered a co-assistant of the murder. Now, they went to trial. Court is now in order. All stand for the honorable judge. Okay, I want to stop you right there. Well, I'm talking to the person who's talking. Anyways, it doesn't matter. I don't know the name of the judge, but I do know how the trial went down, okay? The prosecution had 24 witnesses, okay? Now, 24 can mean multiple things, okay? A dozen is 24, right? So, 12 times 2, 12 plus 12. Because in 1 dozen, there is 12, okay? 12 that means 12 times 2 is 24. Okay. So, as the prosecution did have 24 witnesses, that didn't even work because Snoop Doggy Dogg's defense attorney only needed 1. That one singular witness was enough to knock down all the spinning plates, chop down the trees. So, after the closing statements, they did jury deliberation. There was one woman that said there was a possibility. They went back to the jury deliberation room and came out with not guilty. That means they all agreed on not guilty, okay? Though, before that, the judge and people did tell them not to judge Snoop Dogg how famous he is. Don't say he's above the law. Even though he's filthy stinking goddamn motherfucking rich. They still came out with a non-guilty verdict, and Snoop Dogg went back to his amazing wealth and his amazing career in rapping. As you're a rapper or any type of famous person or a celebrity, there will always be people trying to take you down, but those people must continue to work through their life. Those people were not famous because they stopped because people kept on making fun of them and putting them down. Snoop Dogg got accused of a murder, and he fought the charges. Sure, he may have admitted it, or they might have had enough evidence, but Snoop Dogg fought through it, and the jurors knew it. The jurors knew he had either reason to commit the murder, or he did not do it, period. It could have been self-defense. He may have been a frame. You never know. So, the sponsor of the video, JLab headphones. So, simply, they're pretty much just headphones, okay? So they're comfortable, they're easy to wear, okay? Controls on the headphones itself, on and off, okay? You can activate Siri. It even has a mic built inside the headphones, so you can talk to your friends freely with them simply in your ears. You can buy them at any local Canadian Tire in Ontario, pretty much, and you can also get it on Amazon and the JLab Pro website. Thank you.